Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. Things are starting pretty warm and wet out there to begin, picking up some rainfall over Eugene right now. There should be some drizzle for the remainder everywhere for this morning here, and then things are going to be getting drier towards the afternoon, but still cloudy the whole day. Looks like there could be some fog in a few areas as well. So we've got fog and a bit of drizzle, which means the streets are not super safe for this morning, but the good news is at least you're not going to be cold because we're sitting close to about 50 everywhere. Check out the visibility right now. It's getting worse for Corvallis, a quarter of a mile. We were seeing about half a mile just about 20 minutes ago, and it looks like it's actually getting worse everywhere. Eugene's gone from 8 miles to 6 miles. Looks like it's getting worse in Creswell too. So you could be seeing some patchy fog nearly anywhere for this morning, so certainly might want to slow down out on those streets. Now, part of the reason why we're seeing all this fog out there is because of the rainfall we saw yesterday. It was yesterday's rainfall totals, almost a half an inch for Eugene and Corvallis, but a lot more impressive as we get down to the southern coast, nearly 2 inches in one day there for North Bend, and that allowed for both the ground and the atmosphere to be very saturated, which is why things feel sticky for today and why we are seeing so much of that drizzle for this morning. Now, for the remainder of the day here, moving into 6 a.m., just about 18 minutes ago, we see most of that down towards the south, so areas like Roseburg are going to see a lot of the drizzle. But for 8:30, it spreads out just a bit. Looks like we're still seeing some rainfall everywhere. Moving into 2:30 here, so going all the way from 8 into 2, you can see those green spots stick around, which means there are chances for a couple light showers. But 2:30 does show a thick deck of clouds still sitting overhead all the way through the remainder of tonight before we start to get a little bit of an offshore wind, which blows everything out towards the coast and starts to make the skies a little clearer. That's going to be the case moving forward into tomorrow. You might actually see some sunshine coming up, but again, there is still a lot of moisture to deal with for today. After that, though, the whole week is just mostly cloudy with a bit of a chance of rain coming up on Thursday, again, for most areas. Probably not for the basin, though, sticking near those 50s. Cascades sticking close to the low 40s. We've got freezing drizzle for this morning, but then it's actually mostly sunny for several days out in the Cascades. Willamette Valley looking similar to most other places with a little drizzle for today, potential sunshine tomorrow, fog on Wednesday there, and then there's a chance of some evening rain Thursday, but it's low likelihood. But now it's time to wake up